Yep. That is a fish. Hang on, hang on. It might be off. Either that or off. Yep.
Oh, yeah. You're on a spin fish with it.
Yep. Shit. I think. Yeah, let it. I should let it go for a little bit longer. Be way past. I forgot to hit that one. I was gonna say it's way past. Oh shit! Another one. Either that or jack. I'm at
20. I did good, Willie. I did. He's Willie pulls his coho. Coho, baby. Yep. Well, I don't know. Is it wild?
We gotta let him go, wild.
It's in the net.